Hello, everyone. Happy January 25th. Today we celebrate Opposite Day, Irish coffee, and the joy of playful traditions. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details.
Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. It's Opposite Day, a silly celebration of switching things around. A great gift could be a quirky t-shirt, a puzzle game, or a humor book. What's your funniest opposite idea? Let's flip the comments. Next, it's National Irish Coffee Day. A warm blend of coffee and whiskey. A thoughtful gift could be an Irish coffee glass set, a gourmet coffee blend, or a cocktail recipe book. Do you enjoy Irish coffee? Let's sip in the comments. And finally, it's National Fish Taco Day, a tasty celebration of coastal flavor. A sweet gift could be a taco recipe kit, a gourmet spice blend, or a festive serving platter. What's your favorite taco filling? Let's crunch the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for February 21st to 25th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.